Oh, hey guys. It's hard for me to have a cheery disposition when I just spent, about $125, closer to $150 on a piece of rental equipment. And I get it home and it's not going to work. And I got it for the weekend and it's not going to work. So, so, there's always a workaround or a solution, and I think I may have came up with something that'll have this milling machine in here tonight. So what I got was the piano dollies. Basically, they strap on to each end of a what do they call those kind of pianos? The big rectangle. Well, I figure I'll strap one to the front and strap one to the back and just bring that baby in. It's got 4 wheels. Well, I don't have a flat enough surface. Like, I can't get the dolly close enough to the base because of the cross slide crank and the knee crank, and so if they fit fine on the sides of the machine, but that makes the whole thing about 10 inches wider, which isn't going to go through the door. Well, I happen to own a very heavy duty 4-wheel dolly, furniture dolly, made of steel. Picture of it here. Okay, I'm not going to bend down to look, but I'm assuming you can see that. Oh. So the plan is to take this yellow stuff off the machine, roll it in here, put the yellow stuff back on the machine, get it in place, drop it, and be done. And I got the head tilted to get in here through the door, and what I'm gonna have to do is get in through the door and then hook this around the corner, which I have plenty of room in there to do that. But this is a very handy device here. You can steer it, you can steer it to a limit. Let's see if you can see what I'm seeing. There we go. Yeah, it straps on, and you can steer it here. Of course, it's not that easy. You want to get it positioned and then start pushing it. And the other side is identical to that. The machine is now sitting on that 4-wheel dolly independently. So this thing is just strapped to the machine at this point. So technically I could roll that in right now. Well, I could take those off and roll it in right now, but I'm not going to rush things. And I'm just, I'm thinking that I can hook the head in around the corner. I don't think that head will go completely upside down, but it might. That would work also. I just don't know if I want to crank it around that far to see if it does. And how much would that really save me from the center? Well, that would actually save me a lot of height. That would only put me about here. But I think I can whip this around, take it in around here and then shoot in that way. You know, the way you would work a couch in a doorway, or so, providing that thing doesn't fall off the dolly, I think I have it balanced. I got most of the dolly underneath the column, although I am supporting the front. So I think we're going to go ahead and undo this first dolly here. Yeah, we're going to take it in now. Cue the music. And just pretend it's like old blues or jazz, something like Half-Ass Customs plays. I gotta ask him where he gets his music at. Oh, watch your head. Yeah, I think we're going to take it in, by golly. Oh, I wonder what kind of picture you have there. You see. Let me see if I can get you a wider view. Oh. Move your head out of the way. Yeah, I think you're going to be able to see everything from there. Oh, God, watch your head. If that happens a third time, no, we won't say what that says about my character. There goes that dolly. And these are a bit awkward. See that? At the very least, these things are an excellent way to get this off the floor. Now, had I had a pallet jack as well, this would be done. Okay, we're awful high off the ground here, man. And that worries me a little bit. A little side to sidey. I'm actually going to get by that board. So I won't need to do the tilt. I am going to have to make a turn though, and that might be difficult. So let me move part of this 2x4 up here. Okay, now we're recording. Well, the idea is to bring that in. If I may be able to just get it in straight, put the dollies back on the sides, and then make the turn. That would be the best, because that dolly I'm on is only meant to move in one plane. And it is a little tippy left to right. So I'm not sure if I want a chance trying to turn it. Okay, we had to take a pause because I want to push it back out. Hopefully Okay, I got a plan. And I'll be right back to implement it. Okay, I tried to sit down and relax for a minute. Is the machine even in the picture? Where's it gonna be at? And then I'm done. We're gonna go this way. Okay. Yeah, it should be in the shot. So we're gonna use this jack.
Yeah. Thank you, Matt, very much.
Take the weight off of it.
Watch the video. See you soon.
Okay, just one crank there.
Machine is in place, however, it is not wired. It's three-phase, by the way.
Okay.
Let's have a quick walk around here. You can see that there are some similarities to a Bridgeport, but perhaps more differences than there are similarities. This machine was built in 1965 or 1966, so it's about 55 years old. Notice that the power longitude.
Okay, as soon as I bring it forward, it's going to roll downhill. So I want to get it turned as much as possible first.
I suppose modified for the purpose. That's the switch for it. And a very complicated system. The table can be. One of them is missing. That's on the y-axis, the one for the x-axis. The indicator itself is not in there. The machine is well used. Remember that this is the machine that was delivered to K&K Engineering when my brother worked there in 1965 in Bloomington. It's almost outrageous how large the hydraulic feed is. This is the hydraulic pump and motor inside of this cabinet. And there are hydraulic lines, hoses that go up into the head. And that's the power down feed for boring. It seems to be incredibly complicated. And that was an option, as was the longitudinal feed. I would do all of that just with a hand wheel. That's all I had at the high school. And the one I had at the high school was bought in '69, and it had a totally different longitudinal feed, the more modern servo type that was motorized right in here. None of that nonsense was necessary. Oh, and I forgot to ask you, did I do a good job of filling this empty space in my garage? Now it's back.
Okay, let me see what you're seeing.
Well, again, a big thank you to the Trust Brothers over at Lost Creek Machinery for actually giving this machine out of the kindness of their hearts. And they'll be using it maybe to make videos and a few projects. It is out in a cold garage, so you're not going to see a whole lot of it until the weather.
Okay, what am I going to do with this? This is going to go around.
It'll be 4 or 5 months before I do too much with it, but I will have another walk-around video of it. Hopefully, down this week, we're going to have just a little bit of reprieve and maybe some Indian summer here in northern Illinois. So, thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing a lot more of this South Bend machine in the future. And apparently, there will be
I'll strap on there.
I do not know the number, but I suspect it was only.
I only hope I'm in the picture. Am I in here? Hi. Okay, it's pretty clear what I'm doing. I'll bring you back after I get it strapped up. Okay. Now it's time to get the dolly out from underneath it. We got a little hydraulic leak on this side. Getting this down is going to be kind of tricky, I think. I'll show you that later. Okay, now it's going to be taken down a little at a time. Not going to be a problem. Pretty good control. Man, that thing was up in the air, wasn't it? Or it still is. Okay, that's a little better distance. Now I need to spin that baby. $180, I guess. I'm gonna go in at an angle in this corner over here. I need to move that heater. And I should probably turn the phase converter. It may not matter, but every little bit helps. So let me take care of some of those little details and we'll come back and try to spin this thing around. And here's the dolly that we used. It says New Haven Movers Equipment. And it's a pretty substantial piece of equipment there. 5x2 R&K. All right. It's in there, baby. Yeah. If I can just get things spun around now. Okay. Okay, you're not going to have the greatest picture, I don't think, at first, but okay, I'm going to reverse the wheels now. Turn these wheels. Straighten up these wheels. Motherfucker. I'm not sure what you're seeing. If you're seeing enough of it or not. I'm gonna get further back. I see something, I think. Okay. Okay, that might be better. What do you think, George? Let me give you a better shot than that. Well, guys, there we are. We've gone from there to here. You saw it all happen. So there's the lathe. So we back out of the room, pan over to the milling machine, and there we have tool cabinets with multiple drawers, some open shelves on the bottom, nice 2-inch thick oak top butcher block. Ah, yes. Okay, guys. Wow. I like it.